The Mazda 6 is finally back, but not how you remember it. Say goodbye to the inline 4 and hello to the 22.6 Mazda 6e GT. After years of rumors and a hiatus in the US market, Mazda has officially unleashed its first serious long-range electric sedan on the global stage. It's sleek, it's fast, and it's targeted directly at the Tesla Model 3. But is this the car to finally make Mazda a player in the EV game? Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Let's dive into the specs of this gorgeous electric fat. Under that long, elegant hood, the 6e GT isn't playing around. It's powered by a rear-mounted motor, pushing out to 55 horsepower and 236 pound-feet of torque. Now, that might not sound like plaid territory, but Mazda's European engineers have tuned this for Jinba Itai, that horse and rider is one. Feeling the 78 kilowatt-hours battery delivers an impressive 348 miles of range on the WLTP cycle, and when you're low, DC fast charging can get you from 10 to 80% in just 24 minutes. It's the first Mazda EV that actually makes road trips look easy. Inside, the GT trim feels like a luxury lounge. Gone is the tiny knob-controlled screen of the past. You now get a massive 14.6-inch central touchscreen and a crisp 10.2-inch digital cluster. The GT comes standard with an augmented reality head-up display, tri-zone climate control, and a 14-speaker Sony audio system. Mazda even kept the frameless doors and integrated door handles for that premium European fastback look. It's easily the most tech-forward interior Mazda has ever built, period. Asterisk now. Here's the catch for our US viewers. Because the 6 East is built through a joint venture in China, those heavy 100% tariffs mean it's currently a forbidden fruit for the American market, while Europe and Australia are getting deliveries this July for around $33,000 to $35,000 USD equivalent. We're left waiting to see if Mazda will move production to a different facility or bring us a North American version. It's a tragedy, because this is exactly the kind of sedan that could save the segment. Asterisk. The 2026 Mazda 6e GT is proof that EVs don't have to be boring to look at or to drive. Should Mazda find a way to get this into US dealerships? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to DRX AUTO MOBI for more global car news. I'll catch you in the next one.